Cheap cars usually come with a warning label. You get what you pay for. And most of the time, that's true. Low prices often mean weak engines, dashboard lights that never turn off, and repair bills that cost more than the car itself. But here's the twist. Not every cheap used car is a disaster waiting to happen. Some are absolute bargains. Cars that run for years, rack up mile after mile, and barely ask for anything besides fuel and routine servicing. In today's video, we're counting down 9 cheap cars that are surprisingly reliable. No gimmicks, no fragile engines, just proven workhorses that can save you thousands. And we're starting with a Toyota that lives in the shadow of the famous Corolla. Number 9, Toyota Auris. The Toyota Auris never had the fame or prestige of the Corolla. It wasn't flashy, wasn't exciting, but that's exactly what makes it great. Under its simple design lies the same legendary Toyota reliability. The 1.6 petrol engine is especially impressive. No fragile turbo, no complicated tech, just a solid, durable engine built to take abuse. Owners regularly report Auris models reaching 150,000 miles or more with nothing but oil changes, filters, and the occasional clutch. Timing chains hold up well, gearboxes rarely give trouble, and even the suspension lasts longer than rivals like the Focus or Golf. Plus, parts are cheap, and any mechanic in the UK knows how to work on one. You can pick up a good Auris for under £3,000, and unlike typical bargain cars, it won't hit you with a surprise £1,500 repair bill. It's not exciting, but it's the sort of car people keep for years because it just works. Number 8, Honda Jazz. The Honda Jazz is the classic buy once, keep forever car. Yes, it looks like something your grandparents might drive, but its reliability? Next level. The 1.4 petrol engine is extremely tough. Many Jazz models surpass 150,000 or even 200,000 miles on the original engine and gearbox. Honda kept things simple. No turbos, no fancy timing belts, no fragile electronics. Everything is built to last, and thanks to Honda's clever magic seat system, the Jazz is shockingly practical for its size. It's not stylish, but it is dependable, cheap to run, and trusted by families and older drivers everywhere. Sometimes the boring cars really are the brilliant ones. Number 6, Ford Focus, 1.6 petrol. The Ford Focus has dominated UK roads for years, but not every engine is reliable. The EcoBoost models have a bad reputation for coolant leaks and overheating. But the 1.6 naturally aspirated petrol, that one is a hidden gem. It's simple, tough, and inexpensive to repair. With regular servicing, many reach 200,000 miles without major issues. Parts are everywhere and cheap, thanks to the Focus being a bestseller for so long. Just make sure to buy one with a strong service history. Most surviving examples are older now. Number 5, Hyundai i30. The Hyundai i30 doesn't get the same attention as a Golf or Focus, but that's exactly why it's such a smart buy. The 1.6 petrol engine avoids the complexity of turbocharged rivals, which means fewer things to break. MOT records show the i30 has far fewer failures than many cars in its class. Hyundai also offered long warranties, 5 or even 7 years. So many used models were well cared for. It's not stylish, it's not sporty, but it's dependable, economical, and very cheap to maintain. Number 4, Suzuki Swift. Small, light, and shockingly tough. The Suzuki Swift is one of the most reliable small cars ever built. The 1.2 petrol engine is naturally aspirated and extremely simple. No turbos, no complicated emission systems, just a clean, basic engine that can run for 180,000 miles with routine maintenance. It's cheap to insure, cheap to maintain, and incredibly fun to drive. It's not ideal for big families, but as a commuter or first car, it's hard to beat. Number 3, Kia Ceed. The Kia Ceed changed Kia's reputation forever. The 1.6 petrol engine, especially the older non-turbo models, is one of the most dependable engines you'll find. Many reach 130,000 miles and beyond with minimal issues. Kia's 7-year warranty means a lot of used seats were serviced regularly at dealerships. Parts are cheap, repairs are simple, and nothing about this car feels high risk. It's not flashy, it's not fast, but it is one of the most worry-free used cars you can buy. Number 1. Toyota Yaris 1.3 petrol. This is the king of long-lasting small cars. The Toyota Yaris 1.3 petrol engine is famous for being nearly indestructible. These cars routinely hit 170,000 to 220,000 miles with basic servicing. No turbo to worry about, no fragile electronics, no expensive emission systems, just a solid engine that refuses to die. MOT pass rates are excellent, running costs are low, and parts are cheap. That's why so many older Yaris models are still on the road today. A well-maintained Yaris won't turn heads, but it will save you thousands in repairs over the years. There you have it, 9 cheap used cars that are actually reliable. They might not be the most stylish or exciting cars out there, but when your goal is avoiding breakdowns and unexpected bills, these cars deliver every time. The used car market is full of bargains that are really money pits. But the cars on this list? These are the hidden gems mechanics respect. So now it's your turn. Have you owned any of these cars? Did it live up to its reputation, or surprise you with a big repair bill? Drop your experience in the comments. It might help someone avoid a costly mistake. If this video saved you time and money, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's looking for a car. You might save them thousands. And always remember, when it comes to cheap cars, flashy doesn't matter. Reliability does.